Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by placing the media where it can be fetched. Upload the MP4, MP3, or image to your chosen host, cloud storage, CDN, or server. Once done, make sure the object is in the right folder and visible. Set permissions, public for open access or create a sign link for controlled access. Why? Because the link's accessibility determines playback and embedding. Now that the file is hosted and permissions are correct, you're ready to generate the actual URL. You now create a link that points directly to the file. Use the host's UI or CLI to copy a direct URL. If the host gives a share page, convert it to a raw file link for embedding. If security matters, generate a signed URL and configure expiry, IP restrictions, and allowed methods. Make sure the link uses the correct protocol, HTTPS. Why do this? Because a direct, secure URL ensures reliable playback and prevents mixed content errors when embedded on secure pages. You finish by embedding and validating the link. Insert it into an HTML tag, Markdown, or a JavaScript player, then test on desktop and mobile. Check the Network tab for 200 responses, CORS headers, and range support for seeking. Once stable, finalize metadata like caching and content type headers so browsers handle the file properly. If something goes wrong, first verify permissions and HTTPS. Then inspect response headers and status codes to pinpoint the issue and fix it quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.